Steady, steady, go. Here we go. Side of the vehicle. Just kind of slow it down a little bit. Wait until they pick a spot. In that situation, wait till they pick a spot. They're still kind of covering it. Cool breeze rider. Okay, right turn only right here. It's an only. Whoa, changed their mind. So did Cool Breeze, right? So if you still wanted to be on the interstate, just take the off ramp and get back on the next way. Don't try to rush back in. Eric Chambers, okay, side of the vehicle. Hey, good job finding it, but you notice how he had to look down to push the button? He took his eyes off the hazard so he can honk the horn. That's not what I want you to do. Apply braking and then get out of that.
Great appreciation for this biker who decided not to be passive and react very quickly.
Snow, watch out for cold stuff. Ooh, side of the vehicle, and yoink. Easily could have been your leg getting that impact. You can still rescue them because that could be a whiplash situation.
Let's see if they're good, yo.
It could have been something, so check on them. Ensure your own safety, though. Watch out for any traffic.
Good?
Hey, this is a good guy.
It's like a job right now.
Let's see if you can move your car. Can you try and move your car on the side over there?
Like there?
Yeah, put it on park. Put it on, restart the car.
Very calm and collected. Remaining calm, helping her out. Very good. I like this guy. Look at the damage. Now check on this person, see if they're okay. He's doing a good assessment.
Yep.
He's doing a real good assessment. This is really good. He's doing some triage, checking on people.
You okay, bro? Come on, come on, come on.
Okay, so
Turn off the
airbag.
Put it on drive. Put it on.
Could have burns on the wrist, but
Hey, come on.
could have some trauma to the face, but thankfully he doesn't.
Seatbelt. Hold on. All right, hold on. Move.
He helps this guy.
Okay.
Hello?
Very good. Yeah, you just gotta be careful yourself.
You good?
You gotta be careful yourself. You don't want to get hit. This is a bad position to be in. I wouldn't want to be there. See how traffic can hit you and smash you in between this? Get on this. Get on the sidewalk.
Oh, I'm just calling 911 right now.
So do I have to wait, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
All right, I'll see you.
It's good to wait.
All right, you got this.
Thank you.
No problem.
He helped out. Hey, that's one of those things where you're. One second. I gotta pause this. I gotta pause that. It's one of those things where just that little bit where you're not involved, it's easy for you to remain calm. Those people right here kind of freaking out. Not these people.
All right.
This person right here kind of freaking out because they're involved in the accident. It's their emergency. So for this rider to come over and assist because they're calm, it's not my emergency. I can kind of see from the outside, third-party perspective. I'm like, this happened, this happened, this happened. I'm not over here inside of it and be like, oh crap, what's happening? You know, I got to take care of myself and take care of. You know, this person is literally saying, I got this, I got this. We're just gonna call 911. You know, remain calm, right? So we're remaining calm. We're calling 911, ensure our own safety. It didn't look like there's any major bleeds. Doesn't look like there's really any severe injuries, and he just handled the situation so that these people can just kind of absorb it. That is what I like. That is service. I love it.
You got
I
this.
just have to give him.
Thank you.
No problem.
I just have to give it to him.
There you go.
Good job, man. Rider goes down, bike goes in the ditch. We all had fun. Gear saves lives. Exactly. Smart rider, baby. Acquire and utilize personal protective equipment. Prince Meerkat. How you doing, buddy? You're in the chat right now. Uh-oh, somebody crashed. So Prince Meerkat said earlier in the chat.
No.
He's in class right now.
No.
Said broken thumb. You got it. You got it. You got it. Flintstone it. There we go. There we go. Alright, so we got somebody else helping. What happened here? See, people want to help each other. So full gear. He's thinking about rescuing, doing his assessment. He's up and sitting.
Dude.
He's talking on his Cardo Pack Talk. I believe it's a Cardo Pack Talk. Let's see. Is it?
You good, dude?
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure?
Airbag.
God! It worked!
What kind is it? Oh, oh, okay. Airbag vest, baby.
We're good. Thank you, sir. I saw you take that right turn. I was like, oh.
So failure to negotiate a turn. So slow down.
Are you okay?
Remember, you need to look far ahead. We'll talk more about this afterwards. We'll talk more about it afterwards. Winnie's channel. Here we go. Side of the vehicle got sun in the eyes. Okay, now we're out of there. So more of a yellow stage. Watch out for this idiot right there. watch it from behind. Look at the space cushion we have, so if anybody hit each other and did anything stupid, we have plenty of time to swerve or do some kind of red stage maneuver. Space cushions are important. Red light runner gets caught by the police. Okay. That was a right turn lane, a right turn. Where are we? Looks like we're on the left side. Are we in a different country? Or is everything reversed? Different country. Never seen a van like that. Pulled him over. Got him. So that was kind of like us doing a left turn on a red light. That's what that looks like.